Alright guys, we're in a creek here. Nice little creek. It's been dumped on a lot, but we got some stuff here. This is an old oil lamp. Alright, it's complete. That is nice. It's got that. I mean, that's a little chip, but that is a nice oil lamp. And even better than that, we do have a soda. I didn't record too, but we got a Fairmont milk earlier. Okay, soda is right there. We also have melted drugstore bottle. Not an old one per se, but still not bad. We're gonna grab this first. This is a Coca-Cola script, Lincoln, Nebraska. It's really nice. Too bad it's broke. But this bad boy, it's perfect. It looks like a Willow Springs beverages. I could be wrong. I have been known to be wrong. Yep, Omaha, Nebraska. Alright, once that's cleaned up, we'll show it to y'all, but that's a whole Art Deco soda from the 30s from an old brewery company. Used to be second biggest in the world, but Prohibition hit and they started making sodas. And this is a nice Art Deco one. What I can tell, I didn't see anything else around here, but this seems like one of the older spots. I mean, just look at that mug. And this cork top Bromo seltzer. Very nice. Really nice Bromo seltzer. Alright, near as I can tell, there's not anything else to find. But once we do, we'll get you back on Broken Coke, Omaha. Alright, be back. Alright, here again. Down there, we got what looks to be and is, go figure, couldn't have predicted it, another Omaha Willow Springs. Not to worry, that is good. And we have another soda right there, and it looks different. I'm just checking the water to see if I see anything else. Oh no, go figure guys. It's a Willow Springs. I thought it was different. It is not. I don't know how there are so many of these things. I mean, not that that's bad. I'd rather find these than non-soda junk, but I mean, it's a good sized bank of digging we got, so we're gonna keep after it. I guess I'll walk a little with y'all here. Maybe we'll find one while we're actually walking. And note, all those sodas are ones I missed when I came in here last time. So it is very easy to miss things when you walk through creeks. So that's why you gotta re-walk them and stuff. Gotta keep re-walking, keep looking, keep trying, and eventually you're gonna find something good. See, these might be, yep. What I'm really hoping for is a good milk, but that may not happen today. I see another Willow Springs right there. Oh yeah, definitely a Willow Springs. Let's grab this insulator, it's broke. Ooh, a few insulators, so you can hear the train in the background. There used to be a train nearby. Not anymore, but these insulators definitely go to it. That's actually a complete one. Huh. Oh, it's broke, guys. They did us dirty with the one Willow Springs that's broke. Oh, the rocks got it. The rocks over here definitely got that one. There's some melting going on. I see a Coke. Might be whole, but it's kind of buried. My only worry is with a Coke that I haven't found a whole one here yet. You know, I'll be darned, it's whole, but nope. Never mind. Confirm, I think it's only a D-pat. No, that's a 1923. Oh, that's rough. Oh, look at this cookie jar top. Actually, part of that base is in there. I mean, that whole Coke might just have broke. It's so cold, but it's not unfeasible. It's a cool little bottle there, probably newer, but who knows? It looks like that's all for this section. Other than a bank I've done a little digging off. Nice. We keep at it. Hopefully find some more willows. So I walked down the creek a little bit that way. And I'm coming back here because I found a Coke, but I wanted to go down so this creek area would clear. You can see it's still muddied, so show you the Coke. I actually walked through here last time I was here, and I didn't find this. Now, you would think I would see that, but no, I didn't. I walked right over a Coke, sticking straight out of the bank. This is probably our last find for today. But, oh, nuts. Lincoln, Nebraska. There's broken. Really thought that'd be whole. It's only a T-pat right there. A nice Lincoln, Nebraska. Well, guess we can't all get winners. Maybe I did throw that over there last time, and that's why I didn't actually miss it. But this will be the last little section I walk. If anything else, we'll just find those Willow Springs and a few other things. Have a nice day, y'all, and I'll try to get you a good cleaned up wrap up.